Market participants are wondering if Nvidia has reached its high, or its top rather. The action of yesterday, the 20th of June, was a significant one with an outside reversal from $141.09, which also turns out to be an intraday high and probably an all-time high as well. So this reversal has now been followed with losses in today's session, today the 21st. And now there are fears that if this selling continues, it might affect its intermediate trends. We're talking about its maybe 20 and 50-day moving averages. Yeah, that's the fear that is out there now. And according to Bob Kendall of Kendall Report, its intermediate charts, that will be its weekly and monthly charts, don't appear to have reached a significant top yet. The algorithms, according to him, suggest some consolidation for a few weeks. So this is what we are looking at right now. It's decayed further and lost 2.92%. Okay, we can now see on this 4-hour chart, it is trading right on its right on the lower line of its price channel. When that reversal occurred, it was right outside the price channel. So that's an outside bar reversal, and it's quite a remarkable occurrence. Yeah. So let's see what other analysts are saying, or what's out there saying. What are they saying here? Markets could take a normal routine pause after record highs. Strategy says now's the time if you have profits to book them. And Benzinga folks are saying NVIDIA is in a classic bearish engulfing pattern. Does it mean trouble ahead? Let's see whether we can read that. Okay, let's see. A classic bearish engulfing pattern, also called a bearish outside day, has formed on NVIDIA. The pattern suggests the stock may be about to move lower. Reversal patterns are an illustration of a change of leadership in the market. When it's trending higher, the bulls are in charge. When it's heading lower, the bears when it's trending lower, the bears are the ones in control. When the leadership changes, the price action can appear on the chart as a reversal pattern, like I pointed out earlier on. If the chart is if the change is slow and takes place over an extended time, it may show up on the chart as a rounded pattern. If it's a sharp reversal that takes place over just a few time periods, it could be a V pattern. Yes. And if the reversal takes place in just one time period, it can show up as an engulfing pattern. Shares of NVIDIA have been trending higher since the end of May. So yesterday, the 20th in the morning, it looked like this trend will continue. The shares opened at a higher price than Wednesday's close, but the bears overpowered the bulls and pushed them lower. Importantly, Thursday's closing price was lower than the opening price on Wednesday. This dynamic of this action is what creates the pattern on the charts. There tends to be short-term support at recent opening and closing prices. The fact that Nvidia could blow right through them indicates that sellers are aggressive and want to exit their positions regardless of costs. Time will tell, but this could be the start of a new downtrend. It could be, but who knows? And Nvidia has also, where the Nvidia goes is where the market goes as well. We also seen that this is a chart that doesn't have bars. This is a line chart. The market has closed now. It just closed at a discount. It's slight discount. It's 10-day moving average. 10-day moving average is at $127.42, and it's closed at 126.57. So if it reverses from there, then we might conclude that also, amongst other things, that the 10-day moving average is serving as a primary supply line. But at this sort of level, some market participants are buying, we bought more. We almost doubled our position in the stock. We almost doubled our position. So it's important that you know that. So according to Bob Kendall, there's support between around 125 up to $128. If it blows through those supports, then we're in for maybe further decay. We're in for further decay. Let's have a look at what's going on right now in this post-market session. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, we have seen an outside bar as well, outside bar reversal. You can see some. We usually that's always the case when stocks trade outside their channels or market grid. There's always a rebound, and this downward bubble formed. This is a V. This is actually a V reversal. This is yes a V reversal, but in a short term on a short term basis. So well, time will tell. We'll see what's going to happen, whether we are in for a consolidation that will run in 2 weeks. Yeah. So let's. There are no we don't have any projections. It's trading at a premium to all of its Fibonacci projections, and we haven't seen any recalculation based on what we have. Some other people have charts that have recalculations, but we can still have a look and see on its 4-hour chart whether we have a recalculated Fibonacci projections. We do have. We have 132. We have 134. We have 135.7, 136.74, 137.78, 139, 141. So this is that intraday high. This is it was where this is where it printed 141.07, just slightly below that. It printed it on the 4-hour chart. Yeah, it should be here. So that's right around where it printed, $141 or thereabout. And then we have further projection up here. We have 146.3, and also on its this chart, it's or the 10 and 20 period moving averages were not able to hold it, and it's right on its 50, 10 and 20 there, right on its 40 period moving average on this 4-hour chart. If it pivots and moves upwards, then as a matter of fact, it has actually served at some point as a primary supply line. So we're going to see whether we are going to see action from here. So the 4-hour chart is not too far off, quite similar to the. This is based on what we have, very much closer to the daily chart. So this is on this chart, the 40 period moving average will be more of an intermediate trend. If it begins to decay, then it may spill over into the daily chart, maybe, but it's going to take more time for that to materialize. But the 10 period moving average on this chart is definitely has tilted toward is sloping downwards now. So extrapolation is showing weakness. Let's have a look at its 2-hour chart. Yeah, we have it's trading back into its Fibonacci projections. We're 146.3. Yeah, well, that's what we have here as well. That's the most upper projection. Let's look at the 45-minute chart and see what we have. Yeah, we have projections all the way towards 140.94. It has actually it has actually printed such highs. This was yesterday. Yes, 140, 141. It did print. Yeah. So yeah, we're seeing that weakness here. Okay, and here the intermediates, all the short and intermediate trends have a reverse course. The 10 and 21 period moving averages have significantly weakened, and 40 and 100 period moving averages on this 45-minute chart are also sloping bearishly downwards as well. So nvidia, is it how long are we going to wait? Is it time to begin to take profits? Just have a look and see what you make of nvidia stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.